All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time finding this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like on these videos if you get any value out of them. Hey, if you're just finding this, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. The channel's all about making money online. We figure out ways to make money online, and then we pass that information on to you. All of our series are step by step. We show you exactly what to do so that you can start making money online, so you can have extra money for those vacations, maybe retire sooner, or maybe you want to quit your 9 to 5. So what we're going to do today, we're going to get on with our Clickbank series, where we use a free promotion in Clickbank, and then we promote that using a simple copy and paste method. Copy and paste in emails. We're not writing anything. We're just using simple email swipes, and it's just copy and paste. And I'll show you how to do that daily. We're using My Lead Gen Secret as the emailing platform. And if you want to get started in this, you will come right here to the first video in the series. And what you're going to do is you're going to come down here where it says show more. And you've got MLGS. This is the join link right here. You can go in there and we explain how to daisy chain those accounts for yourself. And then here's the email swipes you'll want to start with. These are daily, they're day by day. And just go in, pull your swipe, put your link in there, and send them out. Check this system out as well while you're here. This is where we make the majority of our money. This is a little bit different. This is not a free product. This is a $25 product, but we do very well with this product. So check that out while you're here. All right. And don't forget to check out the rest of our series. So this is a brand new one we've been going through. It's for Live Good, great supplements, awesome savings on those supplements, and we're making money. We're making money really quick with this. So don't forget to check this out. So let's do as always and sign into Clickbank and check some stats. All right, there we go. So we had a pretty decent day, the 29th. So a couple days ago, another 19 bucks. So let's go and see what that was. All right, so here is for today. So we haven't sent our emails out yet today. We've already had 564 visits to our link. So clicks to our link. We've already had traffic in here. And these are growing. You can see how much these are growing by, because our numbers are starting to climb. So we're really reaching out to a lot of people now. So let's check our full period. We'll just go from January all the way through. All right, there we go. So total clicks, we've had over 25,000 clicks to our link. We've had 216 clicks through to the order form, and we've made 11 sales. Those 11 sales and the upsell have gotten us to $227.43. So that's good. You can see how this is compounding and climbing, and we're just going to keep doing this. We're going to keep making sales. Now, the object, of course, is to get to making sales daily, and we want to make sales every day. And we'll see how long that takes us. But we're starting to stack some in here, and that's good. Exactly what we want to see. All right. So let's jump over to My Lead Gen Secret, and we'll get this email sent out. Today's going to be email number 16 on the 4th promotion in Clickbank. Now you can go back to the first video in this segment, and you can see which one that is. I go through, we pick it together, and then we get started. All right, so mailing system, then select all. So today we're emailing 13,300 people just from this account. So we've still got 4 other accounts that we're going to mail today. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my subject line from the document. right there. And then we're going to grab our email. I'm going to grab the link, and I'm going to get the free header as well on this one. So there's everything, and I'm going to get rid of this. We don't need it. I'm going to get rid of this because I'm going to replace it with the short code from the system right there. And then I'm going to, oh, there we go. We'll sign it right there. We're going to go ahead and get rid of all of this bold. We're going to leave that one. There we go. And then we'll make our link. It'll be right here. There's mine. You put yours. Okay, there we go. I'm going to highlight that and Control C to grab that. And now we can put it here. It says click this blue link. That's the obvious place for it. We'll bold that one. And then how many individuals from, let's do, let's just put your country in there again. We will open it up a little bit. And let's just go, let's see. You know what? I like it here. I like our link there. But I also like it here. It says this is dependable. I'm going to do it there too. And we're going to leave this one bold. We'll leave the others like that. And then get rid of that one. Click perfect timing. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So again, we're going to copy the whole thing, Control C, and then send it. And then we're going to go to our other tab, to our next account. It's going to be number 2, right there. Mailing system, select all the way down. Control V to paste, perfect timing. And then we want our subject line. There we go. And I like that subject line. And I like the pre-header on this one. So we'll see how well this goes. I think we'll get a sale from this email. Because it's short and it's kind of punchy. And I like the subject line. I think we're gonna get opens. That's the wrong account. Hang on. I think we're gonna get opens. And that's exactly what we want. So there we go. Perfect timing. There we go. And grab our subject right there. Control C, send. Okay, now we're ready for our next account. It just makes it quick, to go do. So now we'll switch tabs. Go to our next account. Number 4 right there. Mailing system, select all, go all the way down. Perfect timing. Whoops, there we go. And then our subject line. We'll grab our email one more time. Now we're ready for number 5. Number 5 will be our final account. We run 5 with this system. Like I said before, you want to definitely run more than one. At least run 2, so you're getting the bonuses. We run 5 for everything that we do because you can see how it stacks leads in there. Okay. That's what you want. The more traffic, the better, right? So right now, this is a smaller account. This is a bigger account, 12,600. That's pretty good. Those smaller accounts, they're still growing. They're still growing good, and they're just going to continue. All right, there's our email. There's our subject. And then we're not going to grab this again because we're done. That's our last one. We'll get that sent out. And there we go. All right, so there we go. That's it. We're done for the day. We've sent our emails out. We've just copied and pasted. We've put a link in there. We're making sales. We've made over $200 now, so that's good. We're just going to keep pushing, keep getting those emails out every single day. This is something that you do. Whether I make a video or not, you need to keep pushing and put these emails out every single day. Okay, sometimes we get busy. Sometimes we have the things that we need to do. So these may not be out every single day, but trust me, I am sending my emails out every day, just like I'm instructing, because that is the entire purpose of doing this. Okay, we have to send every single day. All right. So guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe. We sure appreciate it. Leave me a like on the video if you get any value out of them. My number is below. If you have any questions, feel free to text me. It's not an issue. And we'll see you on the next video. Later.